Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is this region present over here in the brain and it has quite a few functions. So in this video, we're going to learn how to memorize all the functions of the hypothalamus. So let's start. So whenever I listen to the word hypothalamus, it always reminds me of a hypo or a hippo. Therefore, we have this hippo, which is going to help us associate with the hypothalamus. So if you can see, the hippopotamus is quite healthy. And if it's healthy, it's associated with eating and drinking. Hence, the hypothalamus is associated with hunger, eating and drinking or thirst. And due to its huge size, it has a lot of fat within it. And this fat, it acts as an insulator for the hippo, helping it maintain body temperature. Hence, the hypothalamus is also associated with body temperature. Now, if body temperature is under control, the blood pressure will be normal. Hence, the hypothalamus is also associated with maintaining blood pressure. Next is that it's a very healthy hippo that's not doing any exercise. It's just relaxing. Therefore, it's associated with a lot of rest, which is sleeping. And like I mentioned, the hippo does not do anything. It's just resting at home. Therefore, it has a little fun with its partner and is associated with the sexual drive as well. This hippopotamus is eating and drinking. It's resting with sufficient sleep. It has a normal blood pressure, so therefore the health is fine. So it is always in a happy mood. Therefore, it's also associated with mood regulation. This hippo is living its best life with the best mood, sleep, health, food, drinks. Therefore, it has total equilibrium in its life. It is very well set and has equilibrium. So, it also helps in homeostasis. And obviously, hypothalamus, it secretes hormones for the body to function. So the functions of the hypothalamus are hunger and thirst, body temperature, blood pressure, sleep, sexual drive, mood, homeostasis and hormones. I hope this trick helps you retain this information for longer. That's all we have for today. Thank you.